Nanopathology is a new word that describes pathologies of unknown origin. The discovery of nanopathologies is due to a European research project I coordinated in 2002. I verified that nanoparticles, that means particles with a dimension below 100 nanometer, are dispersed in the environment. The human body can inhale them or ingest with contaminated food. So this nanoparticle can go through the physiological barrier, especially the pulmonary barrier, and they can go into the bloodstream. After that, they can be entrapped in the lymph nodes, where they can induce a biological reaction. That it is a new problem that can be verified with new instrumentation. For instance, an environmental scanning electron microscope. That microscope can be equipped with an X-ray microsensor of a dispersion energy spectroscope. In that case, we can identify not only these nanoparticles, but also we can verify their chemical composition. That it is very important because we can verify also the origin of this pollution. So we can see that these particles, if inhaled or ingested with contaminated food, can be entrapped in the human body, not only, but they can also be given to the fetus, and in that case they can contaminate an embryo before the birth of that. We verified many diseases of patients, especially monoclonal gammopathy, in this case with a nanoparticle of mercury. We verified also germinoma that contained nanoparticles of stainless steel. It means particles of an alloy composed of iron, chromium, and nickel. In the case of babies, we verified the presence in the brain of silver nanoparticles. You can see very well the presence of clusters of silver nanoparticles. And we don't know exactly the possible origin, source of this silver nanoparticle. In other cases of baby died suddenly, we verified the presence of nanoparticle of stainless steel, of iron chromium. Not only, we verified also the presence of aluminum or aluminum phosphate or aluminum hydroxide or aluminum silicate. In other cases, we verified also the presence of nanoparticles of gold. We don't know exactly the source of these nanoparticles, but we know that this contamination was translocated by the mother to the fetus during the pregnancy. It is obvious that the mother blood was contaminated by multiple exposure in the environment or due to contaminated food. But this pollution was translocated to the fetus. There was a contamination pre-birth, and the baby probably had a normal birth, but during the growth of the tissues, this contamination induced something wrong. In this case, it induced a sudden death. And only with the scanning electron microscope we can understand why this baby died without any reason. Only with this instrumentation, with new investigations, we can understand that death. Thank you very much.